Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson, and today I'm here to introduce to you the all-new 2024 Nautique GS24. So the GS lineup has had some new models, and for 2024 they have completely redesigned the GS24. So this boat comes in at 24 feet in length, has plenty of room for all your friends and family, and it has got a whole new hull design on this particular model. So this one here we have with the haze gray and some Admiral blue, and on the back is the Admiral blue metal flake. Point out some of the new features of the GS24. We have the option to get steer assist. In the previous generations, they did not have that option, but now we have the option to get steer assist in this boat to help you around docks and lifts. It can spin you in a 360. You can go backwards in a straight line. Very, very helpful, especially when you have a boat full of people and your ballast is completely full or on nice windy days. So one thing that I really like about the GS24 as well is it does have the bench seat. So in previous generations, you did not have the option for the bench seat. Now with the new GS24, you have the bench seat that pulls out, and you still have backrests on both sides. So you have a lot of people that can face backwards watching surfing, wakeboarding, whatever it is. Another great feature of the GS24 is the standard engine now. So the standard engine is the new ZZ6. So that's the 450 horsepower, 465 foot-pounds of torque PCM engine that is direct injection, and it also has the electric steering. So the steering is much easier with this, and this is the standard engine. So plenty of power for your GS24. The other thing I wanted to mention was they did redo the hull, but they kept a lot of the good aspects that you would come to see from the GS series, which is it is a great boat for surfing, wakeboarding, and skiing. So it still has the pop-up pylon. So if you do want to throw on a ski, it's going to give you a nice ski wake for some recreational fun. And then the surf wave and wakeboard wake has gotten enormous. So you can, if you're a very good surfer, you can dial it all the way up. But if you are a beginner, you can dial it all the way down with NSS and NCRS integrated together in the boat. So again, this is the all-new GS24 from Nautique for 2024. And this boat is here as our Rogers location. So if you'd like to come take a look at this or take a look at building a GS24 for yourself, all the colors that you want, the options that you want, we are happy to do that too. If you want to give us a call and set up an appointment, that works great. Otherwise, just stop on by. We'd love to show you the boat and show you all that Nautique can give. Have a great day.